Set of 6 large, 50G, natural bamboo charcoal diaper by Econo is one of the best baby diaper pail deodorizers products. Do you need a little extra to combat the nasty smells coming from your diaper pail or kitchen area? These 50-gram sachets are the perfect solution. Choose from a package of 6 50-gram sachets or a package of 6 50-gram sachets along with a holder that features 3M adhesive on the back that allows you to place it almost anywhere. Suitable in many different spaces, drawers, closets, shoes, nursery, trash can, etc. Dehumidifying. Bamboo charcoal has a negative ionic charge that attracts odors and excess moisture in the atmosphere. It retains the high density and porous structure of its raw material mazo bamboo, enabling it to absorb excess moisture. Natural, the renewable resources of bamboo and charcoal combine to create an effective odor neutralizer, air purifier, and dehumidifier. Eliminates and neutralizes odors, does not mask them. Rechargeable, use for 2 weeks, place outside in the sun for 2 hours on each side to recharge, and reuse up to 3 months.